You're watching Tech Vibe, the channel where we go beyond the specs and tell you how a device truly feels to use every day. Today, we're diving into the ROG NUC 2025. This is the next generation of ASUS's compact gaming PC lineup, aiming to bring desktop-class performance into a small, stylish, and portable package. And trust me, this little beast can surprise you. Let's start with the most exciting part, the gaming experience. The ROG NUC 2025 is all about delivering high frame rates, smooth visuals, and responsive gameplay, all while sitting quietly on your desk. I loaded up some of the most demanding AAA titles, and it barely flinched. In Cyberpunk 2077 with all settings maxed, ray tracing on, and DLSS in quality mode, it held steady around 90 frames per second at 1440p. That's incredible for a PC. This small dot in competitive games like Valorant, Apex Legends, and CS2. It's even more impressive. At 1080p, I was hitting frame rates well over 250 FPS, giving you that ultra-responsive, competitive edge. Even at 1440p, these games stayed smooth, and the low input latency was noticeable. It's the kind of performance you expect from a full-size gaming tower, yet it's coming from a device small enough to tuck into a backpack. One of the big upgrades this year is the use of the latest Intel Core Ultra processors paired with NVIDIA's RTX 50 series GPU. Depending on the configuration, you can go all the way up to an RTX 5090 mobile variant, which delivers near desktop-level performance. For a lot of people, that means you can run anything on ultra settings without worrying about dips in frame rate. The combination of CPU and GPU also makes it perfect for VR gaming, where consistent frame timing is key. Thermals are something people worry about with small form-factor PCs, but ASUS has clearly worked hard here. The dual-chamber cooling design separates the CPU and GPU airflow paths, meaning heat from one doesn't affect the other. Even under heavy load for over an hour, temperatures stayed within safe limits. And fan noise was surprisingly low for the performance you're getting. Now, if we move away from pure gaming for a moment, the ROG NUC 2025 is also a powerhouse for creative work. 4K video editing in DaVinci Resolve was buttery smooth, even with multiple streams of high bitrate footage. 3D modeling in Blender and rendering in Unreal Engine took advantage of the GPU acceleration beautifully. If you're someone who streams or does content creation, this machine is more than capable. Design-wise, the ROG NUC 2025 stays true to the ROG aesthetic sharp lines. A compact form factor, and customizable RGB lighting that you can sync with your setup. It's slightly larger than last year's model, but that extra space has been put to good use with better airflow and more upgrade options. The matte black finish with subtle ROG branding makes it look premium without being too loud. Port selection is excellent for a device this size. You've got multiple USB-C and USB-A ports, HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 2.1, 2.5 gigabits Ethernet, and even a full-size SD card reader for creators. There's also Wi-Fi 7 for ultra-fast wireless connectivity, and Bluetooth 5.44 accessories. If you're someone who likes to have multiple monitors, this little machine can drive up to 4000 displays at once without breaking a sweat. On the storage side, ASUS offers configurations with up to 4 TB of PCIe 5.0 NVMe SSD storage, which means lightning-fast boot times and game loading. Even massive open-world titles load in seconds. Pair that with up to 64 GB of DDR5 RAM, and you've got a machine that won't slow down anytime soon. One of the underrated aspects of the ROG NUC 2025 is how portable it is. For the performance it delivers, weighing just under 3 kilograms and small enough to fit in a backpack. It's perfect for LAN parties, moving between rooms, or even traveling if you need serious power on the go. All you need is a monitor and peripherals at your destination, and you're set. Software is handled by Armory Crate, ASUS's all-in-one control hub for performance tuning, lighting, customization, and system monitoring. The profiles are genuinely useful. You can switch from a silent mode for casual use to a turbo mode for maximum gaming power. There's also a eye-driven fan control that adjusts cooling dynamically depending on workload. In terms of power efficiency, the NUC 2025 is surprisingly reasonable. Thanks to the newer CPU and GPU architecture, it delivers better performance per watt than previous models. This means less wasted energy and less heat output, even when you're pushing the system hard. As for battery, well, this isn't a laptop, so you'll be plugged in most of the time. But Asus includes a compact, high-efficiency power brick that's much smaller than you'd expect for a machine this powerful. Now let's talk about pricing and availability. The ROG NUC 2025 is set to launch in Q4 2025, with base configurations starting at a competitive price considering the performance. Of course, if you spec it out with the top CPU, GPU, and max storage. It gets expensive, but you're essentially getting a high-end desktop in a tiny shell, so the value is still there. In real-world use, what stands out the most is how versatile this system is. It's a high-end gaming machine, a capable creative workstation, and a space-saving desktop replacement all in one. For gamers who don't want a massive tower but still want uncompromising performance, it's hard to beat. Overall, the ROG NUC 2025 feels like Asus has refined the small form factor gaming PC to a point where there are almost no compromises left. You get incredible gaming performance, strong thermals, great connectivity, and the freedom to upgrade down the line, all in a package you can carry in one hand. If you've been waiting for a small but mighty gaming rig, the ROG NUC 2025 might just be the one to beat this year. And that's our deep dive into the ROG NUC 2025. You've been watching Tech Vibe, where we test, push, and explore the tech that actually matters to you. If you enjoyed this review, hit like, subscribe, and stick around for more hands-on looks at the latest gear. Until next time, keep gaming and keep exploring.